In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell ebooks on Gumroad. We'll cover everything you need to know to get your ebook on the market and into the hands of eager readers. Now, selling ebooks online can seem daunting, but with Gumroad, you'll find the process to be straightforward and user-friendly. So let's dive right in. First things first, to get started, head over to gumroad.com and create a Gumroad account if you haven't already. It's a simple process of signing up with your email and creating a password. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your dashboard where all the magic happens. Next, locate the products section. This is essentially where you'll set up and manage everything regarding your product listings. Click on Products, and once you're there, you're going to want to click New Product. This is where you begin creating your ebook listing. Choose the ebook option as the type of product you're selling. This selection is crucial because it tailors the listing process to best suit your ebook's needs. Now it's time to set the price for your ebook. Think carefully about your pricing strategy. Consider your audience, the value of your content, and comparable market prices to make an informed decision. Remember, you can always adjust this as needed based on customer feedback or promotional strategies. After deciding on the price, you'll need to add a name and description for your ebook. Make sure the title is captivating and gives potential buyers a good idea of what your ebook is about. Then move on to the description. This should be engaging and informative, enticing readers to make a purchase. Don't forget to add a compelling cover image, as a captivating visual can significantly impact a buyer's decision. With that done, you can now customize the product page. Gumroad allows you to tweak various aspects to better align with your brand or the message of your ebook. This could include modifying the layout, color schemes, or adding additional media to enhance your product's appeal. Once you feel satisfied with everything, don't forget to click Save and Continue. This ensures all your hard work creating the perfect product page isn't lost. Review your product page to ensure it meets your expectations and aligns with your brand's image. If everything looks good, the final step is to click Publish to make it live. Congratulations, your ebook is now officially on sale. To maximize your sales potential, share your ebook's product link far and wide. Utilize your social media platforms, email newsletters, blog posts, or even YouTube videos to reach potential customers and drive traffic to your Gumroad page. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're now prepared to sell your ebook on Gumroad. Happy selling, and may your ebook reach the audience it deserves.